Defender Downdraft Tables from Clean Air Industries are available in several configurations to match your specific operational requirements. Let's look at a few ideas. Starting off with something simple, our DDT 4x3 downdraft table offers high performance within a space-saving footprint. This unit is configured with side and back walls and is ideal for a single user. Moving up to the DDT 4x6, this table is configured with sidewalls and a middle partition. This allows up to 4 users at a time. Or you can set up the table with different equipment for a multi-use workstation. Here's our largest table, the DDT 4x9 with 9,000 cubic feet per minute of airflow. This is a flat configuration that allows for overhead loading of larger workpieces. This setup is ideal for weld training facilities, a DDT 4x6 with sidewalls and viewing windows that offer the instructor a clear view of a student's performance. There are many ways to configure a Defender Downdraft table. Contact us to see what's possible for you.